Now our topic you will know already. The fourth chapter, exponents and powers, is a very easy. Those who are followed the first laws of exponents, those who are know that this is so simple topic, right? So just focus on laws of exponents. Okay, students? Very good. I hope is remaining. What is the easy you will know? Yeah, very easy. This is also depend on laws of exponents. Okay, then let's start our class. Are you ready? Right, very good. Let's go now. Our topic is chapter 4. What is your exponents and powers? Right. And this, what up to each problems are completed, right? In the first exercise. Now, the bit 9. It is also very easy, right? What is the bit 9? You observe here, the problem is, if m is equals to 3 and n is equals to 2, find the value of what? 9n squared minus 10n cube. Are you understood here? So simple problem. Here given two values. One is, what is here? Ninth problem. M is equals to 3 and n is equals to 2. Thus two are given the values, right? And find what first one is given in that 9n squared minus 10n cube. This is the first problem in the ninth bit. It is very easy. Let's start our solution. Are you ready? Yeah. Let's come. What is here? Your solution. So simple problem is here. What is given first in this? M is equals to 3 given and n is equals to 2. These you know? Yeah. Now problem is, what is here? 9n squared. What is here? 9n squared minus, what is here? 10n cube. This is the problem, right? Here already what is the m and what is the n is given now here. What is the m value? Yeah, very good. M is equals to 3, right? M is equals to 3. Then n is equals to what? 2. These two values are given. Then what find here? 9n squared minus 10n cube. Is it clear? So where is the m? Replace of m, what should apply here? Yes, substitute 3. And now here replace of n, substitute 2. That's simple. This one logic you will know means the problem is so simple. Yeah. Then apply here what is here? That implies where 9 only. But m, replace of m. What is the value of m? Yes, tell me here. What is the m? 3. Then that's why you apply. What is here? 3. Here up, yeah, square. M square. Meaning is what is here? 3 square. Is it clear? Why, sir? Because of 3. That's why. Where is the m square? The replace of m square? 3 square. Is clear? After that, minus 10. Okay, 10. Then after, what is the n value? Yeah. Yes, very good student. N is equal to 2. Then substitute that 2. Where is the n? The replace 2. Then after, what is the here? Q. Right? What is here? See? 9n square. 9. M replace 3 square. After that, minus 10. Here, n replace what is here? 2. Is that clear? Then 2. Then after, cube. So simple. What is given in the test? N. Where is the m? That replace 3. Where is the n? The replace is 2. Then after, what is that? Simplify. It's 9, okay. After that, what is the meaning of 3 square? Come on, tell me, students. Yes, very good. 3 square means 3 into 3. Why? Because of x square. X into x. The same way, what is here? 3 into 3. Is it clear? Then after, what is minus? After here, what is that? 10. Meaning of 2 cube. 2 is how many times? Yes, 3 times. Then, what is here? 10 into 2 into 2 into 2. You will know this. Why? Because of 2 cube. 2 cube meaning is 2 into 2 into 2. Is clear? Then after, what is here? That implies 9 into, what is here? 3 into 3 bracket. 3 3s are 9. Very good, students. You write here 9. Why it is 9? 3 square. 3 square means what? 3 into 3. Then 3 3s are 9. Then after, what is here? Minus 10 into, what is in the bracket side? Yes, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So, what is here? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. That's why 10 into 8. Is it clear? Once again here 9. Okay. And 3 3 is the 9. Here 10. Here 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Then simplify this. What is here? 9 9 the 81. Yes, 9 9 the 81. Minus 10 8 the, what is 10 8 the? Yes, 10 8 the 80. Then after, what is the result is here? 81 minus 80. So what you get? 1. Therefore, what is here? That therefore 9m square minus 10n cube, what is here? That is equal to 1. How? Because of when that is m, the value is the 3. When the n is equals to, then 9m square minus 10 n cube is equals to 1 is the result. Are you understood this? So simple. Once again you have observed. M is equals to 3, n is equals to 2, right? Then the problem is 9m square minus 10n cube. Then 9 same. What is the m replace? 3. You apply here what? 3. Then substitute the 3 is here. Then 9, 3 square minus 10. What is here? N replace 2. Then 10 into 2 cube. Then after 9, what is the 3 square means 3 into 3 only now. After minus 10, what is the 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times. Then after, what is here? 9, 3 3 is 9. That's why 9 into 9 minus 10, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Then 10 into 8. After, what is here? 9 9 the 81 minus 10 8 the 80. Finally, we get the result is 1. How? 81 minus 80. You get the result 1. So the solution is 1. Therefore, 9m square minus 10n cube is equals to 1. When m is equals to 3, n is equals to 2. Is it clear, students? Easy only now? Very good. Note down this. So simple it is here. Just where is the m? The replace, substitute 3. Where is the n? The replace, you substitute 2. Then so simple the answer. What is our answer is 1. Is clear, everyone? Come on, note down. Next, second problem, and this so simple it is also. What is given here? 2m square n square. Come on, note down this part. All of you clear? Yes. Now I am going to the second. It is so simple. What is the second problem? Observe. What is the second? 2m square n square. What is here? 2m square n square. So same word. Come on. What is here? Tell me now. Yes, correct, students. Then just replace of m, you substitute 3, and where is the n? The replace 2. Then go to the problem. What is here? M is equals to 3 and n is equals to 2. What is here? 2m square n square. So that implies here, what is the problem is 2m square n square. Then replace of m, yes 3, and where is the n? The replace, you substitute 2. So simple, no? Come on, let's start our solution. What is here? 2 into, right, m, what is m? 3. Then that's why 2 into 3. Here what is here? Square. So square. 2 into 3 square. Clear? Then after into, what is here? N. Replace of n? 2. Then substitute 2. Then what is here also? Square. So square. Are you understood here this step? Simple. 2. Okay. What is m? 3. That's why 3. Square. And what is n? 2. That's why here square. Square. So 2 into 3 square into 2 square. So then after, what is here? The same point. 2 into, what is this name? Yes, tell me. 3 into 3. Right. Right, sir. 3 square. That meaning 3 into 3. Then after, what is here? Yeah, tell me. 2 square. Then 2 into 2. So here square, here also square. Then what is here? 2, 2. Same. What the 3 square means? 3 into 3. And what is the 2 square means? 2 into 2. The bracket, what is the meaning is an into only now. That's why 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. How is that? 3 square, 3 3 is that. Then 2 square, 2 2 is that. That's why. Then the time point, what is here? 2 into 3 3 is that. What is the result? 3 3 is that? Yes, very good. 3 3 is that? 9. That's why 2 into 9. Okay. Then after into, what is here? 2 2 is that? Yes. 4. Very good. So y is 9, 3 3 is 9. Here y 4, 2 2 is 4. Finally, what is here? 2 into 9 into 4. So that implies what is here? 2 9s are. What is here? 2 9s are? Yes, 18, right? Or 9 to the 18 into what is here? 4. So finally, what you get? The yes, the solution what? 4 8 the 32. 3 left. 4 1 the 4 plus 3. What is here? Yes, 7 72. Is clear? Otherwise, 4 9 the 36. 36 2 the what is here? Yes, 72. The same way. Once again, observe here. Simple. M is equals to 3, then N is equals to 2. That implies what is the value of 2m square and n square, right? 2m square and square. Then 2 into 3 square into 2 square. That implies what is here? 2 into 3 square means 3 into 3. Then after 2 square means 2 into 2. That's why 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Then after what is here? 2. 3 3 is 9. 2 2 is 4. Then after what is that implying? 2 9s are 18 into 4. 18 4 is 72. Therefore, what is here? 2m square n square is equal to what you get? 72. Is it clear, all of you? So when it is possible is m is equals to 3, n is equals to 2. That implies 2m square n square is equals to 72. Is it clear? Just simple here. What is that is? Square. Square means 2 times? Yes, that's only 3 into 3. Here what? 2 times, same, 2 into 2. Then after what is that is? 2 into 9 into 4. 2 9 is 18, 18 4 is 72. Or what is here? 4 9 is 36, 36 2 is 72. How? Same one, you know. It's a simple, clear. Come on, note down. Just here, remember the students, where is the m? The replace, you substitute 3. Where is the n? The replace, you substitute 2. That's the simple logic, you know, means this problem total easy. Right? It's so simple only now. Yeah, anything, not only this m and n. Suppose a, b values are given and same what is that is 2a square and 2b square, same. Just the replace what values are given now, substitute it. Remaining words you will know already. Square means 2 times, right? Cube means 3 times. That like you will know. Then that should follow. So simple this problem. I hope you understood this. Very good. Note down. And next problem. Go to the next problem. Third in the 9th. What that is the third one? So simple. Come on, note down. The problem number 3 is what is given here. Observe what 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5n square n. This is the problem. Once observe 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. This is the third problem. Once observe here. Then what is the solution? You will know all is same. Come on. Is clear, everybody? Yes. Now let's go to the third one. Yeah. Now let's start our solution. What is here given the problem? Yes, m is equals to what is here? N is equals to 3. Yes. Then after what is the n is equals to 2. Then what is the problem is here? Yes, 2m cube plus what is here next? Yes, 3n square minus what is here? 5m square n. Is it the problem? Is it clear? Just so simple. 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n is the problem, right? This problem looking is something, but is there anything hard? So simple. Just what you substitute. Where is the m? Replace 3. Where is the n? The replace you substitute 2. That's simple. This one you know means everything easy. Come on, let's start. What is here? 2. Same. After that, what is here? Tell me. So after, yeah, m replace what is here? 3. Then cube. What is here? 2 into 3 cube. Is it clear? Just m replace what I written? Yeah, 3. Then you substitute the 3 like this. After upside, what is an exponent 3? That's why cube. Then simple. Then after, what is here? That exponent. What is here? 2 into 3 cube. Here plus 3. What is the n? Yeah. What is the replace of n substitute? Yes, 2. Then substitute here 2. What is here? Square. So 3 into 2 square. Is it clear? Then after, what is here? Minus. That after, what is here? 5. M. What is here? M replace? 3. Right? 3 square. Then after, what is here? Into. What is that is into? N replace is a 2. So once observe this step, everybody, is so simple. So what is here? 2. M replace 3. Remaining cube plus 3. Then after 2, how? N replace 2. Square. Next minus. What is here? 5 only. M replace what is here? 3. Is square. Into what is here? N 2. So simple. This you know means remaining work. What is that? Is simplify. How that is, sir? That implying 2, right? Clear? 2 into what is here? Yes. 3 into 3 into 3. Is it correct? How many times is here? 3 times. Then that's why that is plus. What is here? 3 into. Here what? 2 into 2. Then after, what is here? Minus. After, what is here? 5. Here, what? 3 into 3. Then, after what is that is into 2. Observe that implies 2. 3 is a 3 times. Why, sir? Cube. That's why 3 into 3 into 3. Plus. After 2. Then what is here? 2 into 2. Then after minus 5. 3 square. That's why 3 into 3. Then 2. That implies, what is that is a bracket what you observe? 2 into, what is here, sir? 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Simple now that is. All of you clear? Not here 3. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Then after plus, what is here? 3 into 2 2s are 4. After minus 5. What is here? Into 3 3s are 9 into 2. Is it clear? Then after, what is here? That implies 2 into 2 7s are 14. 1 here, right? After 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So 54. After what is here? Plus 3 4s are, what is here? 3 4s are 12. Then after minus, what is here, everybody? 5 9s are 45. Yes, into 2. What is that is? 90. Right? 5 9s are 45. 45 2s are 90. Right? Otherwise, you write diagonal step, not a problem. What is here like this? 5 9s are 45 into 2. Then here, what is that is? 54 plus 12. What is here? 54 plus 12? Tell me. Yeah. 66. Minus, what is here? 45 2s are 90. So what you get? Yes, tell me. Yeah. How it is that? Negative? Yeah. Minus. How much is that? 90 minus, what is here? 66. Then what is here? 4. Yeah. After that side one gone. What is here? Yeah. 8, 6. That is 2. Minus 24. Clear? How this is once observed? 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. So replace of m, you should substitute the 3 and replace of n, substitute 2. Clear? After what is the 2, 2 only, but 3 is the 3 times 3, 3 is the 9, and 3 is the 27, right? Then after what is the plus? Then after 3 and 2 to the 4. How this is you will know? 3 into 3 and 2. Then after 27, how? 3, 3 is the 9, 9, 3 is the 27. So 54, 3, 4 is the 12. So finally you get is here. What is here? 62. Here what is here? 66, right? Then after here, 5 9 is the 45. How? 3 3 is the 9, that's right. 5 9 is the 45, 45 2 is the 90. So 66 minus 90, you get minus 24. Simple. Easy only now this is. Clear? So simple. Just substitute the replaces that what is given 3 2. That's means so simple. Okay. Let's go to the next one. What is the problem is given to you? Yeah. Canada? Right. So simple. Just you substitute the values. Simple. Okay. What is the next problem? Observe. 4. M to the power of n minus n cube. M to the power of n minus n cube. Is it clear? So simple. Then observe here. What is that is the value? Tell me. Same. Let's start our solution. So simple. What is here? M is equals to 3. Then n is equals to 2. M is equals to 3, then n is equals to 2. Substitute the replaces. What is the problem is here? M to the power of n, okay, minus n to the power of m. That implies, what is here m? Yeah, replace of m what? 3. Then here what is that is given to you? N is given now. 3. N replace what? 2. That means 3 square minus n. Replace of n is what? 2. Then what is the replace of m? 3. See here. M 3. Where is the n? 2. N 2. M 3. What is the substitute? You understood that? Simple. Where is the m? The replace 3. Where is the n? The replace is 2. That's why what is here? 3 square minus 2 cube. Is it clear? Then after what is that is? That implies 3 square means 3 into 3 minus 2 square not here. What is this? 2 cube. Why that? M replace 3 no, that's right. 2 into 2 into 2. How many times is here? 3 times. Then you write here 2 into 2 into 2. Is it clear all of you? Here just 3 square, that's why 3 into 3. Minus, what is here? 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. That implies, what is here? 3 3 are. What is the 3 3 are? 3 3 are 9 minus 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8. Once again observe, minus 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8. So what you get the result is here? 9 minus 8. Same, the first one was the same one. Therefore, what is here therefore? Tell me therefore. M to the power of n minus n cube is equals to, what is the result? Is 1. So simple. When m is equals to 3, n is equals to 2, that implies m to the power of n minus n to the power of m. That implies 3 square minus 2 cube. 3 square means 3 3 is 9 minus 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Then after 3 3 is 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8, we get the result is 1. So simple. Easy enough. Come on, note down. These all problems are depend so simple. What is the value of m? What is the value of n? You will know. Just the values you substitute the problem. Not only this problem, even though any problem given also, first you focus on what is the m, what is the n. Okay, is it clear? So simple. Square means 2 times, cube means 3 times. Then after what is the work you will know already. So 9 minus 8, you get 1. Clear? Come on, note down. So simple. Right, the next problem is the last problem in this exercise. Simplify and give reason is they're asking. Right, come on, note down this is. So here no last, just a logic. What is the reason? What is the m? What is the n? You know means so simple. Just where is the m? The replace you substitute 3. Where is the n? The replace you substitute 2. Then so simple answer. In your exam, this type of any problems, so simple. Just to focus what is the values are given. That replace that substitute. Simple. That's all. Okay. I hope you understood it. Yeah. Then can I have this? Okay. Go to the next. What is that? Is the problem number 10. So simple. Okay. And important. Observe. It's an easy. So what is the problem is here? Observe the problem number 10. What is your problem number 10 is? Everybody observe. 4 by 7, right? 4 by 7 all to the power of minus 5 into, what is here given? 7 by 4 all to the power of minus 7. Once observe, what is here given? 4 by 7 all to the power of minus 4 into 4 by 7 all to the power of minus 7. This is a problem. So here, they know lot of exponents. That's means this is so simple looking like. But what is the problem here? Clear everybody? Observe that is what is the problem is this? Simplify and give reason. 4 by 7 all to the power of minus 5 into 4 by 7 all to the power of minus 7. Just so simple. How? Lots of exponents. Okay. Apply here. How that is? Everybody observe. Let's start time solution here too. What is here? Problem with the first solution step. What is here given? 4 by 7 all to the power of minus 5, right? Into 4 by 7, here replace what is given here? Yeah, 7 by 4 all to the power of minus 7. This is a problem, right? 4 by 7 all to the power of minus 5, 7 by 4 all to the power of minus 7. Here two methods. Last time also I explained two. One is what is that is you apply directly. X by y all to the power of m, then x to the power of m by y to the power of m directly. What is here? Minus, here also minus. Then after you can interchange. What is that is happen here? Minus becomes a plus, plus becomes a minus. That is one. Otherwise, one other formula, what is that is? X to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by x to the power of n. This is also. So which one you are feeling easy? That one you will be follow. So already once I explained that x by y all to the power of m. Now this place, what is now here? Just reverse. 1 by x to the power of n. How? X to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by x to the power of n. Can I? Okay, let's come here. What is here? Here, this is 4 by 7 all to the power of minus 5, right? This we can also write water 1 by 4 by 7 all to the power of 5. Any problem is here? Here minus. But what happened here? Plus. Then after, into what is here? 1 by 7 by 4 all to the power of 7. Here minus, here plus. Why this is the reason? Yes, very good students. What is the reason is here? X to the power of minus n. You know x to the power of minus n? That is equals to, x to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by x to the power of n. Any problem in this? Here minus. So what you get? Plus. How? X to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by x to the power of n. You see here 1 by, this feel like an x to the power of minus n. So what is here? 1 by x to the power of n. So simple. So that's why what is here? 4 by 7 all to the power of 5. We can also write 1 by 4 by 7 all to the power of 5. Any problem is here? As same manner. Is clear? Everybody clear? Then after here, the 10 points, what is here? 1 by, here 4 by 7, it is looking like 4 by 7 all to the power of 5. It is looking like, come on tell me. Yes, very good student. It feels like an x, it feels like an y. What is here? X by y all to the power of m. Then understand x to the power of m by y to the power of m. You will know. Then apply that is. So what is here? 1 by 4 to the power of 5 by 7 to the power of 5. And the same into what is here? 1 by here 7 to the power of 7 by 4 to the power of 7. How, sir? The reason. What is the reason is here? Why? Because of it is looking like x by y whole to the power of m. Then x to the power of m by y to the power of m. Okay. Here same. What is here? X to the power of m by y to the power of m. How? That is, you know, same. That's why x by y whole to the power of m is equals to x to the power of m by y to the power of m. Is it clear? So once again, nothing is here. First we applied that x to the power of minus n. That's why 1 by x to the power of n this is. Then after 1, the same only, but down you observe this is, it is looking like a x by y whole to the power of m. That's why x to the power of m by y to the power of m. Is it clear? Then after, what is here? Observe. So simple. What is here? Here. It's a reverse. You will know already. Yes. So otherwise here only you will know directly what is here, sir. Here applying that is x to the power of m by x to the power of n, that is same way. What is here? 4 to the power of minus 5 by 7 to the power of minus 5. You will know. A reverse. Plus becomes a minus, minus becomes a plus. That is easy. That is also. Then already that method I explained. That's why I took this second method. Right? It is a directly here come. What is here, sir? This 4 to the power of minus 5, 7 to the power of minus 5. Then reverse. What is it? Is x to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by x to the power of n. 1 by x to the power of minus n is equals to x to the power of n. Then down minus, second go upside is a plus. Upside is a minus. Second come to down, the plus. The simple. That is or here like this is also not a problem. Here what happened here? This one is upside, this is down. You know why? Because of by. So it's now numerator, it's the denominator. How that is you will know. The 10 points. What is here? 7 to the power of 5 by 4 to the power of 5 into what is here? Same manner. Come on. 4 is an upside. Come on. 4 to the power of 7 by 7 to the power of 7. Is clear, everybody? So simple. Yeah. 1 by. Then numerator becomes a denominator. Denominator becomes a numerator. So that's what is here. 7 to the power of 5 by 4 to the power of 5. It's without this, directly here also you will know. That is only I said what is here. 4 to the power of minus 5 is 5. 7 to the power of minus 5 is equals to 7 to the power of 5 by 4 to the power of 5. Why? That is a plus becomes a minus becomes a plus. Same manner. Now that employing what is here? Upside observe 7 to the power of 5. Right? Here 4 to the power of 7. Here 4 to the power of 5. Here 7 to the power of 7. Here less. This take down. Here more. This take and go upside. What happening in the time? Observe. So simple. What is here? 4 to the power of 7. Right? Or one extra step you are writing also not a problem. How that is you observe 4 to the power of 7 by 4 to the power of 5 into what is here? 1 by what is here? Tell me. 7 to the power of 7 minus 5. Any problem? It is here. This one down. Here down. Clear? Or if you want again one step means is into 7 to the power of minus 5. But simply you will know what is here x to the power of n. That is equals to 1 by x to the power of minus n. Because x to the power of n, that is equals to 1 by x to the power of minus n. The reason. That's why here 5 take down. What happened last time is a minus. Now here also same, it is looking like an x to the power of m by x to the power of n. Then what is here? Tell me. Here upside. So what? 4 to the power of 7 minus 5 into what is here? 1 by here. The result. What do you get? 7 to the power of 7 minus 5 is what? 7 square. Then after here, what is here? Tell me. 4 to the power of 7 minus 5. Same. 2 only now. 4 square. So 4 square into 1. 4 square by what is here down? 7 square. So what is the meaning of that 4 square? 4 into 4 by what is the 7 square means? 7 into 7. So 4 4s are 16 by 7 7s are 49. So simple. Are you understood here? Once again here observe 4 by 7 all to the power of minus 5. We can also write 1. How it is, that is 1 by 4 by 7 all to the power of 5. Because reason is x to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by x to the power of n. That's why. Then after what is, that is we are looking like here this down one x by y all to the power of m, like then x by y all to the power of m is equals to what? X to the power of m by y to the power of m. Then that's why what is here 4 to the power of 5 by 7 to the power of 5 also no 1 by. After that 1 by 7 to the power of 7 by 4 to the power of 7. Then if you know all this is by and by, what is here is the numerator, this is the denominator. That's only 7 to the power of 5 by 4 to the power of 5 into 4 to the power of 7 by 7 to the power of 7. Then after what is here? Here 7, here also 7. So this one down. So here to here, what is that is looking like x to the power of n, that is equals to what is that is 1 by x to the power of minus n. So down, that's why here minus. As same, yeah, directly this one outside you are taking out minus. How that is you will know, because it is looking like x to the power of m by x to the power of n, that is equals to x to the power of m minus n. That's why you observe here. What is here? 4 to the power of 5 outside. Then immediately x to the power of m by x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m minus n. Then this 5 outside. Then what happened? Minus. So 4 to the power of 7 minus 5 into 1 by 7 to the power of minus, what is here? 7 to the power of 7 minus 5. Then your result, 7 minus 5, you get 2. Here what? 4 square. 4 square into 1. 4 square. By down, what is here? 7 square. So what is the meaning of 4 square? 4 2 times. That's why 4 into 4 by 7 square. What is the mean? 7 is 2 times. That's why 7 7 is 49. Then after what is here? 4 4 is 16 by 7 7 is 49. Therefore the result, what do you get? 16 by 49. It's clear? So simple. Okay? Come on, note down. Just you focus on here. Here what is that is applied? X to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by x to the power of n. Then after here you will know numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. How it is, that is same way. So what is that is happen afterwards? That 7 to the power of 5 it is there, that's take down, then minus. This 4 to the power of 5 can go upside. What is that is minus. So 4 to the power of 7 minus 5 is 4 square. 7 to the power of 7 minus, what is that is? Yeah, 5. Then what is that is the same 7 square only. No? 4 square value is 16. How that is 4 4 is 16. 7 square value, what is it is? 7 7 is 49. Now finally we get the result is 16 by 49. So simple. Is that clear? Okay. So simple, easy, right? Here this is I have doubt the type of members. Another method you will know already. Yeah, let's observe that method also. What a problem is here only for this, because of the rest of the work same. But here what is the change in this? Other method once observe here is over. Let's observe here what is the method. So simple. It is x to the power of minus n. Suppose x to the power of minus n not other one, sir, I want. So that members what observe here? Simple here. It is looking like x by y all to the power of m, right? X by y all to the power of m, meaning what is it is x to the power of m by y to the power of m. That's you know. As same manner, what is here? Do you know how? 4 by 7 all to the power of minus 5. Meaning is what is it is 4 to the power of minus 5 by 7 to the power of minus 5. Into what is here? 7 to the power of minus 7 by 4 to the power of minus 7. How this is? Because x by y all to the power of m is equal to what? X to the power of m by y to the power of m. So this is also. Then this is after what is that is you know here? It is looking like here negative, here negative. We want positive. How it is the possible, sir? You know the two formulas. One is x to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by x to the power of n, right? Another one is what is here? Down only negative. Suppose how? 1 by x to the power of minus n, that is equals to what? X to the power of n. So here positive, here also positive we get. Where here negative time, down positive. Where down negative, then upside is what? Positive. It is so simple. How this is, you know? Come on, let's take reverse. 7 to the power of 5 by 4 to the power of 5. Yeah, this same. Here observe now. Into, what is here? Tell me. 4 to the power of 7 by, what is here? 7 to the power of 7. Observe that is. Remaining was same, but here, what is the law? That law is using, no, that is the way. This one you are observing, no, so simple. Just here, what is that is here? Here minus, taken go outside is a plus. Here minus, take down, plus. So, your wish, the first method or this method. The remaining work is so simple. What is here? This one take down, minus. This one taken go outside is a minus. Because of the reasons. So, work is same. Only here, these two steps. Which one you are feeling easy? That will be fun. Okay. Here, what is that is directly x by y all to the power of m. That's why. Then after, what is here? Negative. Upside, positive. Negative, downside, positive. Because of reason, x to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by x to the power of n. Or 1 by x to the power of minus n is equal to x to the power of n. Two ways. Which you are feeling is easy, that will be fun. Remaining the work is same only now. There is a, what is x to the power of n, then that is equal to 1 by x to the power of n, then downside. Then down to upside, minus, reverse, same way. Or what is here? It's looking like x to the power of m by x to the power of n, then x to the power of m minus n. That's only 4 to the power of 7 minus 5. 4 to the power of 7 minus 5, what do you get? 4 square. Here down, 7 square. 4 square means 16, 7 square means 49. So simple. Clear? So looking is a big, but so simple. So that's why here I explain two methods. You which one feeling easy, that one will be fun. Okay? Choice is yours. Come on, note down. So simple. Okay? Right. Then after, go to the next exercise. Is so simple. That is also very easy. Right? Just standard usual forms you will know means that so simple. I explaining one problem, you are properly, remaining total exercise is easy. Your solutions are very, very easy, right? So please note down this. Simple here also, don't confuse. Nothing here. It is looking like x by y all to the power of m. Then apply that is x to the power of m by y to the power of m. Then after, what is here? Upside, positive. Downside, positive. Because of the reasons you will know all, x to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by x to the power of n. Then 1 by x to the power of minus n is equal to x to the power of n. These two things you will know means it is simple. Then after this one down, this one upside. What is this? Remaining values are that. So simple. Let's start. It says to express the following numbers in standard form. Very, very easy this is. So simple. You know, one is large method and one is short method. I will explain the time, you observe. So once you understand, this is short, you will know so easy. Right. Complete this. Is that clear? Don't apply here. Just you will know the laws of exponents. So simple this. Okay. Can I rub? Good. So don't fear about these problems because of very, very easy problems. But one thing you remember when you are writing your CW, base is some big, right? Exponent some small, and give, yeah, step by step. What is that is the more gap you will be give. Otherwise, one base is looking like an exponent, exponent is looking like a base. That is the difference. So everybody, base you should write big, exponents you should write small. Okay, that's remember. Okay, clear? Same. So once you will know the laws of exponents, how much easy the problems, that's why you focus on laws of exponents. Now exercise 4.2, so simple is here. Everybody observe. One problem, you will know that, then every problem depend on the first problem. Observe that is the first bit in the first problem. What is here? Given, observe that is 0. How many zeros? Then count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros is a friend, I think. Then observe that is, yeah, Yes, point after how many? That is 3, 3, 3. Total? Yes, 9 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then after again some digits are given. What is it? 9, 4, 7. This is a given problem. What is here? Express the following numbers in standard form. So simple. So very important also. That's why concentrate. Express the following numbers in standard form. How this is so simple. First observe the problem in how many zeros are given in this is? Yes, 9. You will observe that is 9. There 3, 3, 3. Yes. So this is a problem. First you observe this. One problem you know that exercise total so simple. That's why perfectly observe this is a problem. And I'll start the solution here too. What is your standard form, right? Then first you work. What these all are zeros only. But what are the remaining numbers are given? Observe that is 9, 4, 7. Then that is you first write is here everybody. What is your problem is 0.00000000947. This is a problem, right? Then that is equals to what is here 9, 4, 7. The remaining all are what is the zeros only now. Then that's why by first if you want means a simple one word. What is in our first chapter P by Q forms you will know. Yeah, how that is one observed here. Suppose 0.9 it is given. So what should write here? 0.9 is the decimal form, right? P by Q form. How? Here what? 9. And how many before point? 1 before. That's why 1 0 is down. You know. 9 by 10. How this is you will know? The same. This is also. Once you know that is here easy. How? Observe. Outside what is that is here? Replace of 9. 9, 4, 7 there. That's why 9, 4, 7. So right is the numerator side. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many before that is the place? Tell me. Yes. How many before? Here 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. Total 9 places and the 3. Total 12 places. That's why what is here right here? 1 after how many zeros? Yes, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3 for these 3 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3. This is right. 1, 2, 3. This is and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 places. Observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is it clear? Then after that is equals to what is here? 947 by total how many? You will know normally just here observe 0, 3. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12. Then 10 to the power of 12. Right. So what is here? It is a down. So taken to upside. What happened is here? 9, 4, 7 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Why, sir? You will know. What is that is? 1 by x to the power of n is equal to what? X to the power of minus n. Same way. You understood this? Then after, actually what is here? No points is here. N of one side. What is that is? 947 into 10 to the power of minus 12. And after, if you want the points, what happen is here? Observe. One digit after you take the point, what happen is here now? Is enough answer. Again you observe. If you want more simplification, 9.47. Here no point, but I took, that is a point. How many places after? 2 places, right? Then after, what is here? Into what? 10 square. Why, sir? Is an 100. How you don't know? The numbers are here. Observe 1, 2. 2 places are there now. That's why is here into 100. And only we know 10 to the power of minus 12 is here. What is here? For point purpose into 100. The decimals you will know. Then here now into 100 meaning is what? The point is years to here one place and another one 0 purpose years to come. So 947 or 9.47 into 100, both are same only now. That's why. Then that is equals to 9.47 into here 100. What is that is? We can also write 10 square into 10 to the power of minus 12. That is equals to what is here? 9.47 into here both looking like an x to the power of m into x to the power of n. Then x to the power of m plus n only now. Then what is here? Tell me. 10 to the power of 2 plus of minus 12. How this is you will know? Because x to the power of m into x to the power of n, that is equals to what? X to the power of m plus n. That's why. Then that is equals to what is here? 9.47 here into 10 to the power of here 2 minus 12. That is equals to 9.47 into what is here? Minus, what is here? Into 10 to the power of minus 10. Actually is enough, but how here minus 10 you get? Because of here no point. We'll create the point, that automatically what happens is here that 2 points purpose, 2 zeros cancel. Then what is here? Minus 12, but here what you get? Minus 10. This is. It is looking like this much less. Let's start this. So simple. Once this leave it, you come what I am explaining the time. You just focus on the problem. You no need of this much step. Within one step, you will know the answer. Everybody observe that here. What is you observe? This is a problem, right? 0.33. What is that? Is 0.0000000000947. This is the problem, right? Then first you observe here how many. Here is the 1, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 places before point is there, right? That's why simply your answer is what is that is 947 into, right? Here point where? Then here. That's why into what is that is here? 10 to the power of minus 12. Or one step what should write? 947 by 10 to the power of 12, right? How that is see? 947 by 10 to the power of 12 is the down 12. Then what happens is upside is a minus. How you know that is? 1 by x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of minus n. Okay. This is so simple. So without this much steps, we'll know within one step answer. Suppose next one, once observe the student. What is here? What is here? The problem is 543. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 zeros is here. So what happens is that directly 10 to the power of 9. Because before point not, then afterwards the zeros only there now. Suppose before point by, then that's time negative. Here not by, positive. And next one, once observe 483. How many zeros are here? Yes, 5 zeros. That's why 483 into 10 to the power of 5. So simple, no? Right. So the time, right? Now it's